Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. With 49,931 people testing positive for coronavirus in a day, India's COVID-19 tally crossed 14 lakh mark on Monday according to the Union Health Ministry. On a positive note, the fatality rate in the country continues to improve and currently stands at 2.28%, while total recoveries has touched 9,17,567. India has one of the lowest fatality rate in the world. Total COVID-19 positive cases stands at 14,35,453, including 4,85,114 active cases and 9,17,568 cured, discharged, migrated, the Health Ministry said. The country's death toll rose to 32,771, with 708 fatalities being recorded in a day. The fatality from COVID currently stands at 2.3% in India as compared to the global average of about 4%. The recoveries on Sunday is one of the highest ever recoveries in a single day. 31,992 COVID-19 patients were cured and discharged in the last 24 hours. The recovery rate has now inched closer to 64 PC. The gap between active patients and recovered patients have crossed 4 lakh and currently stands at 4,32,454. Rajasthan Governor Kalraj Mishra here on Monday morning returned another proposal of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot-led Congress government for bringing assembly in session, citing certain objections over due purpose and COVID-19 situation. The governor in a statement said in the proposal, the Chief Minister has reasoned the urgency in calling the assembly, citing discussion of more relief measures for the people hit by COVID-19 crisis and passage of some important bills. However, in press, Mr. Gehlot has repeatedly stated that he wants a floor test to be conducted as soon as possible to claim his majority. If you Gehlot wants a floor test, then why not mention it in a proposal, Mr. Kalraj asked in a statement written in Hindi. The governor highlighted that time and again the Chief Minister has highlighted that as per Article 174 of the Constitution, it is obligatory for the governor to accept the proposal by the state cabinet. But they said the article also stated during unprecedented times the governor has to ensure that calling a session should be as per rules, at appropriate time without any external pressure and with everyone else will, Mr. Mishra remarked. Growers representing 13 farmers' outfit in Punjab held a statewide protest against 3 ordinances of the centre on Monday. The agitating farmers took out protest marches at several places in the state, including Ludhiana, Moga, Muktasar, Fagwada and Hoshiarpur, to express their anger. They were protesting against the Farmers' Produce Trade and Commerce Ordinance, Farmer Agreement on Price Assurance and Farmer Services Ordinance and the Essential Commodities Ordinance. The farmer moved towards the residences or offices of the leader of the Shiromani Akali Dal and the BJP in their tractors to protest against the ordinances. Adequate number of police personnel were deployed in view of the farmer statewide protest, officials said. 13 farmer outfits including All India Kisan Sangharsh Coordination Committee, Bharati Kisan Union, BKU Krantikari and BKU Sidhuwal joined hands to launch the protest. The centre is trying to destroy the farming sector with the implementation of these 3 ordinances, said a protesting farmer in Muktasar. Farmers also slammed leaders of the SAD for supporting these ordinances. The main apprehension of the farming community against these ordinances was the dismantling of the minimum support price system for food grain procurement. The Mumbai civic body has neither paid salary nor special daily allowance to 209 newly hired nurses who were recruited to strengthen the fight against coronavirus in the Metro Police, a labour union has said. The Municipal Mazdoor Union said the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation hired these nurses under a special recruitment drive in April-May after the coronavirus outbreak in the city. However, the BMC has neither paid the salary nor Rs 300 per day special allowance promised to them since the past 3 months, said MMU, one of the largest trade union in the civic body which is spearheading Mumbai's COVID-19 fight. When contacted, a BMC Health Department official said salary disbursal got delayed due to the ongoing roster verification process but assured the nurses will be paid their wages soon. I joined the BMC duty in the first week of May. Since then, I'm working at a jumbo COVID-19 facility and staying in a hotel where the BMC has arranged food and accommodation, but I haven't received salary or rupees 300 per day special allowance, said one of the nurses who did not wish to be identified. She said prior to joining the BMC, she was working at a private hospital, and since the civic body has issued advertisement to appoint nurses on a permanent basis, she decided to switch job. However, now she regrets the decision due to the financial trouble she is facing. It is difficult to survive without salary for 3 months, especially when you have financial liabilities, she said. Gold prices in the national capital continue to hit new highs, rising by Rs 905 to Rs 52,960 per 10 gram on Monday, in line with the rally in international market, according to the HDFC Securities. The yellow metal had closed at Rs 52,055 per 10 gram in a previous trade. Silver was also in a huge demand as it zoomed by Rs 3,347 to Rs 65,670 per kg from Rs 62,323 per kg in a previous trade. Spot gold prices for 24 carat in Delhi continue to hit new highs, witnessing a jump of Rs 905 with rally in international prices, HDFC Security senior analyst Tapan Patel said. In the international market, gold was quoting higher at USD 1,935 per ounce, while silver was trading with gain at USD 24 per ounce. Gold prices traded higher on concern over sluggish economic recovery, Patel said. Concerns over growing US-China friction have also led to safe haven buying in metals. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.